Please? Okay. Wow, very beautiful. Will you read it? Will you read it? Read.
Yes. Happy birthday, my beloved. Wish you all the best. Be happy and level up today. Semoga di hari ulang tahunmu menggapai apa yang kamu mau ya. I wish the best for you.
Thank you. Oh,
Yeah.
no, Hanifa, open please. Oh, that you are very creative. Will you read it? You are shy, kamu malu. Okay, thank.
But this is for my birthday.
Oh, for yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. It's okay. Thank you. Will you read it? Will you read it? Read.
Your present will make your celebration more meaningful. We look forward to celebrating this special day with you.